Ever dreamt of having a restaurant quality pizza right in your backyard? Well, today's video is all about turning that dream into a reality. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor pizza ovens, exploring the features and capabilities of some of the best in the market. Whether you're a professional chef or just looking to up your pizza game at home, we got you covered. Let's jump right in. First up, we have the Gozney Rock C-Box, the restaurant-grade portable pizza oven for your garden. With its retractable legs, detachable burner, and built-in thermometer, the Rossi box is all about convenience. Reaching a scorching 500 seg sheet, it promises unrivaled cooking results with a thick stone floor, dense insulation, and a unique rolling flame. Plus, it's dual-fueled, offering both gas and wood options. Safety is a top priority with the family-friendly Safe Touch silicone jacket. And don't forget, it's restaurant grade, replicating the performance of professional ovens used by top chefs worldwide. And here's the bonus: register within 60 days for an extended 5-year warranty. Next on our list is the Gozney Dome, the world's most versatile outdoor oven. This professional grade oven is engineered for beginners and chefs alike. Roast, smoke, steam, or bake, whatever your heart desires. The Dome is designed for an effortless wood-fired adventure every time. With its comprehensive package, including a detachable flue, digital thermometer, temperature probes, and more, it's a complete outdoor cooking solution. And for the dual fuel enthusiasts, there's even an integrated gas burner option. It's an investment that promises unlimited possibilities in your garden. Now, let's talk about the Ooni Coda 16, the 60-second pizza magic machine, reaching temperatures of up to a staggering 950 def. This gas-powered oven is ready to cook authentic stone-baked pizza in just 60 seconds. With a powder-coated carbon steel shell for incredible heat retention and easy setup. Straight out of the box, it's ultra-efficient and user-friendly, but here's the twist. It's not just about pizza. The Ooni Coda 16 is versatile enough to roast meats, fish, or veggies, making it a must-have for any outdoor kitchen. Join the global pizza party with this world-renowned portable oven. Get ready for the Everdure Killing It series, where you can enjoy crispy pizza in under 2 minutes. Preheating to 932 def in just 18 minutes, this portable pizza oven ensures a quick and delicious pizza fix. With its sturdy base, it's easily portable, allowing you to take the pizza party wherever you go. Gas-fueled and easy to use, the Everdure Kiln also expands your culinary horizons, letting you cook meats, veggies, fish, and more. It's a versatile outdoor pizza oven that combines speed and quality. Now, for something a bit different, introducing the Pizzazz Plus. It's not your traditional outdoor pizza oven, but it's a game changer for quick and energy efficient pizza at home. With a rotating tray and separately controlled top and bottom heating elements, it ensures even baking for your favorite pizza. But wait, there's more. It's not just about pizza. You can prepare chicken wings, nuggets, quesadillas, and more. And the best part, no preheating is needed, saving you time and energy. Last but not least, we have the G3 Ferrari Delizia Pizza Oven, promising authentic Italian flavors in just 5 minutes. With its high cooking temperatures reaching up to 400 deg ZA, this pizza oven ensures a perfect pizza every time. The unique cooking system with 2 refractory stone plates opens up a world of culinary possibilities, from traditional Italian dishes to toasting and baking cake. With an adjustable thermostat timer and a sleek design, the G3 Ferrari Delizia is a powerhouse at 1200, delivering a delightful culinary journey. Ready to elevate your pizza game? We've explored a range of outdoor pizza ovens, from quick and convenient to versatile and traditional. Which one suits your taste? Share your choice in the comments, subscribe for more, and enjoy perfect pizzas at home.